2013 Toyota Venza 4-plug special edition, like special demand. If you need this type of car, this car dey available for you now. Foreign use, freshly and neatly imported. Everything about this car is perfect. Okay, foreign use, when I mean foreign use, is foreign use. You understand? 2013 model. Let's see the engine. E go shock you say this one come with 4-plug engine, very economical, very fuel economical. If you buy 5,000 naira fuel, you go drive am 1 week. Na me dey tell you. See am, 5,000 naira fuel go do you for this car 1 week. 5,000 naira fuel go do you for this car 1 week. Direct Belgium. See am. When I mean direct Belgium, everything about this car is okay. See the interior, see the formica. You understand? Everything with double panoramic roof, glass roof, oh, glass roof or nothing. See, car dey sweet. This one na baby girl. Omo, car sweet pass your girlfriend, no be cho cho cho. Car sweet pass your girlfriend, no be cho cho cho. Let's go over the other side. See am o. Just only small money you carry this one. Only small money, give me 19.8 million naira. 19.8 million naira you carry this one, and it's still slightly negotiable. You understand? If you need am, just call me 07067492286. My location is Owerri, Imo State. Guys, see you when you come for the car. You understand? Make I drive my car comot. Just see what you have. Direct Belgium, direct Belgium.